Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see Azure availability set. First, what is Azure availability set? It is a logical grouping for isolating VM resources from each other. It makes sure that the VMs we placed in an availability set run across multiple physical servers, compute racks, storage units, and network switches. If a hardware or software failure happens, only a subnet of our VMs are impacted and our overall solution still stays operational. Availability sets are essential for building reliable cloud solutions. Let's say we have a simple two-tier web application. On one of the VM, we have a web server, and on another VM, we have our database server also. Now, able to handle and process more requests, we have two web servers and two database servers. In real world, web applications that have a lot of demand, for example, Google, Gmail or Amazon may have many web servers and database servers. However, to keep our example simple, let's just stick to two web servers and two database servers. The load balancer obviously distributes the incoming traffic between the two web servers. What happens if availability sets are not used? Well, all the four VMs, that's the two web servers and two database servers, may end up in the same fault domain or update domain. As a result, if there is a software failure or hardware failure like power supply or network switch failure, all your web and database servers go down. End result, your web application is no longer available. If it's an e-service go down, end result your web like Amazon, for example. Just imagine the extent of loss to the business every second the system is down. Yeah. Now we will see Azure fault domain. What is Azure fault domain? Yeah. Well, in simple terms, fault domain contains several racks of servers. Each rack in turn may contain several servers with its own power supply and network switch. In reality, server racks are much complicated than this. They may be equipped with redundant power supplies and network switches. However, to keep this example simple, let's just say a rack contains 15 to 20 physical servers with its own power supply and network switch. So you can think each rack of servers as a separate fault domain. For example, if the power supply or network switch fails in a given rack, only the servers in the rack fails. The rest of the server racks are isolated and unaffected. You can see the image. The power supply or network switch fails in a given rack. It's a fault domain first. Only the server in the rack fails. The rest of the server racks are isolated and unaffected. So you may think of a fault domain as a group of resources that may fail at the same time due to the same root cause. It has a single point of failure. For example, if the power supply fails, all the servers in the rack fails. It is very important we understand the concept of fault domains, because if we deploy our Azure resources like VMs, for example, in two or more fault domains, they remain available should a failure occur in one of the fault domain. Yeah. Now we see Azure update domain. Yeah. The Azure update domain is the server hardware and supporting infrastructure in a data center is divided into a multiple fault domains and update domains. An update domain is also a group of resources that can be updated and rebooted if required at the same time. From time to time, patches and software updates need to be applied. Some updates require servers to be rebooted. Only one update domain is rebooted at a time. A rebooted update domain is then given 30 minutes to recover before maintenance is initiated on a different update domain. This reduces the downtime to a great extent. So if you want your Azure resources like VMs for example to be available even during the update process, have them deployed across multiple update domains. Let's see how to create a availability set. Yeah, go to portal, create a resource group, select your region, review and create. Yeah, resource group is created. Then search availability set. Yeah, create, select your resource group, your region and your fault domain. If you want to increase, you can select 3 or 4. Update domain is starting is 5. Yeah, use manage disk. Yes, aligned. Next, go to advanced, tags, then review and create. Yeah, availability set is created. Now go to visual machine, then create a Windows VM in availability set. Select the resource group, your VM name, Windows, your region. Yeah, availability options you can select availability set. Yeah, select your availability set and your security type is standard. Your Windows machine, select your RAM size. Yeah, you can put your allow the inbound ports, go to disk, go with this premium SSD. I am in a free trial, I will go with the premium. If you are in a pay on service, you can select the standard SSD. Let's go to networking. Yeah, next management, advanced tags, then review and create. Create. Yeah, wait 2 to 5 minutes to create a VM. Yeah, VM is created. Then go to recess. Now connect your VM via RDP. Yeah, VM is connected successfully. In this video, we will create a Windows VM with availability set. Yeah, your VM is created. Thank you.